How to turn off your furnace. We do this, I guess maybe when you're going away on vacation and you want to save the furnace from running. So on the outside, typically they would put a switch that you can turn on and off. Alright, if you're going away, simply just turn it off and that will shut your furnace off. Once you turn off the switch button, you can come around and turn off the gas line for the furnace. They're properly marked, that says furnace right here. If the valve is running aligned with the pipe, that means that you're on. If the pipe is running across the pipe, that means you're off. So that's how you want to shut off the gas valve. One area that you want to check to see if there's anything that needs to be looked at your furnace is this two round clear mirror, one on the top, one on the bottom. There's the pilot lights inside this, so if there's any issues, it will trigger those pilot lights, and it'll give you different type of signals depending on what the issue is. So if you do see and run across an issue with your furnace, you'll see those lights beeping. You either call your HVAC people and get them to take a look at it.